Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? This one is going to be another food review. I'm going to try out gingerbread cookies. Pippi Longstocking inspired gingerbread cookies, which has vanilla and rhubarb infused in the cookies, which sounds interesting, which was why I wanted to try them out, because vanilla and rhubarb on gingerbread cookies. So, kind of smell nice. So I'm gonna try them out. Totally different from ordinary. I can taste the vanilla. They are actually really good. These ones were on clearance because of they were supposed to be selling at Christmas, but apparently not. I'm definitely gonna buy some more of these though. Comment below what you think. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, comment below what you think. I will buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.